and so on. In every chapter of life, there is always an ending. But I would like to say, don't think of it as an ending, but the beginning. From tomorrow, there's going to be a new beginning for you. But today, we celebrate. We celebrate goodbyes and farewells. We celebrate success and failures. We celebrate friendships made and lost. We celebrate being in the top 21% of our country. We celebrate overcoming hardships, finding ways around assignments and projects, celebrating the time spent in classroom together. You say goodbye to the teachers, to your buddies, to lab partners, and in doing so, you are saying hello to new adventures, new friends, or at least new interactions with past friends. Your mission for higher learning began here with great passion. But know for sure it will not end here. It will not end until you feel fully confident of meeting uncertainties and challenges of life's laboratory and dealing with success and failures with a positive attitude. I know all of you have lot of remember when. Remember when you stood at the threshold of our college with your parents, and now the time has come to hand you over back after a brief but significant stint of training with us. Remember when you were scolded for mass bunking, not doing your assignments, or project review on time, or LAN gaming? Remember when you were also appreciated for the good deeds done? I would like to say farewell to amazing, omnipotent group of students, that is my BE Electronics students. I'm happy that I had good opportunity to teach them and lead them as HOD. The time spent with them, I hope, has been fruitful to you all. I too have enjoyed and enriched my knowledge in interacting with this group of intelligent and artistic students. I had students in this batch who wrote down every word, every formula that dropped down from teacher's mouth into their copy. I had students who found their creative muse in things around, students who gave memorable moments of fun and humor, students who really touched our hearts, those who had great leadership qualities, those who always complain, and those who never complain. And the list goes on and on. Let me tell you that each and every one of my students has left an indelible impression on my mind. You have taught me that a pat on the back is always better than slap on the wrist. Your affectionate attitude and the trust that you have shown towards me, your staff, your juniors and your peers will always be on display. You have stood with the department through thick and thin. Thank you for being role model of leadership, motivation and excellence. Your contribution to our department is immense. 40 papers in national, international conference journal is no small feat, and you have definitely set a benchmark for your juniors in many ways, right from second year, winning project exhibition, presentations and so on, the way you all have supported the department during the accreditation process. I want all my electronics students to know how important you have been to the positive culture of the department. Electronics department is very proud of you. And wherever your future leads you, I'll be watching and cheering for you. I'm looking forward to updates from you, your lives, and seeing where your education leads. I hope to see you carry PVPP spirit with you and also uphold the value that you learned here. Congratulations on your day. Follow your passion, continue to be leaders, and best of luck in future. And few words for my electronics department staff. Your kindness and caring for students as a whole person and not as numbers on exam is the reason we have seen the students blossom into responsible and contributing individuals. Improvement, as you all know, begins with letter I. So you alone can do it. Explore your potentials to the extreme and come out in flying colors. I would like to end my speech with a small poem. जिंदगी की उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी की उड़ान अभी बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर ज़मीन आपने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है।